Hey everybody, how you doing today? We have a special unboxing. This is from Jerry Bookstore here in Riyadh. So let's crack this box open. So what we have. All right. Okay. Oops. We have a tight area over here. Let's just open it up from here. Okay. All right. Okay, we have the first, okay, we have a package, nothing is here. Let's put this thing aside, and we have a nice robot from Jerry, and it seems like it's a Motorola phone. Yep, it is a Motorola. Let's check it out. How to open this bubbles. Okay. Second. Shit. Okay. Nothing happened, guys. It's okay. It's all right. Okay, no problems. Shukran. Thank you. And we have the big boy over here. This guy is gonna be, sorry for the dust from this package. So we have this nice looking phone over here. I mean color of a phone. Okay, so what else we need to open? Before we open, let's take a look at what we have here. We have Motorola Moto G 5G, and this is the first phone on my channel to be unboxed as a 5G phone, and it's going to be tested on my SIM card, so we're going to see how fast it is in the upcoming videos. Ultra fast 5G speed for all, days of battery life, turbo power charging, 48 megapixels, night vision, cool, nice. That's pretty nice, guys. Okay, let's take a look at what we have here. Qualcomm Snapdragon. Bam, bam, bam. Okay. Yeah. Basically, this is what it looks like. Let's open up and see what we have here. Bam, 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 bam. Bam. Come on, come on. Okay. I think we did it. Yeah. Okay. Is it open? Just a little more. And we can open it. Okay, so here we go. Nice. This phone. This is I'm very interested to see how the 5G goes. And this phone is thick, guys. This phone is thick, and it has already installed the the back cover already is there, which is kind of weird, you know. You don't expect them to put it already there, but hey, it's there. So specifically, actually, what they actually said here, the same in the box. They promoted these two things with the 5G, nothing else. Let's take a look at what I have inside the box, and some paperworks and some ejector tools. We have the charger here, and it is, let me double check. Let's see if the camera can catch this up. Already dubbed. Okay, let me just try here. Can you get it? Oh, we have to zoom. Okay, so let's give it a zoom. And no, we can't. We have to switch cameras. Unfortunately, we can, but let me just read it for you, just real quick. It says, this is really hard to read. This is really hard to read. So let me just double check. Okay, guys. It says the power is 3 amps, 15 watts, 10 volts, 15 watts, or 10 volts, 9 amps. Okay, this is, it says 20 watts. Yeah, 20 watts. So 20 watts of fast charging. You have 20 watts here. That's really good. At least it's not like 10 or 15. It's a 20 watts fast charger from Motorola with the price is like this. We have USB Type-C. I hope it's USB Type-C. And we have a pair of headphones. which is, let me double check. Oh, these are good actually. These are good. This is like an iPhone looking headphones. Now, if you're wondering, the phone does have a headphone jack, which is a 5G phone with a headphone jack. That's pretty cool. I have a speaker here, and we have a microphone in the top. On the left side, we have a button, only one button here. And on the right side, we have a button, volume up and down and the power. So probably this is a Google call for a Google Assistant. But where is the SIM card? Yeah, it's here. So it's here. So let's take a look at the cover of the phone by itself. It's called Lava Red or Lava. It looks like a lava. Yeah, it looks pretty cool actually. Pretty nice. The hand. This looks like it's plastic. It seems like a plastic. I'm not sure if it's plastic, but it feels like a plastic. It's not metal. And the back it seems like a plastic as well. A fingerprint scanner over here, and the camera is here, as you can see, 48 megapixels. And we're gonna get into depth into with these cameras. By the way, we have ultra wide and macro. So I'm very interested to see the camera, what's going on here with the camera. But overall, it feels good on the hand. It's a big phone, and it's very interesting. So yeah, so far, so good. Please wait for more things about this phone in the upcoming videos. I will start a playlist called Moto G 5G. If you want to go check out all the videos that I'm going to drop soon, so you can go back and check it out, from unboxing to whatever test I'm going to do, in addition to the final review. By the way, 5G, that's cool. And thank you guys for watching this unboxing video. Take care and see you later.